Hello world, it's Vincenzo. Today we're going to unbox the Lenovo Thunderbolt 3 graphics dock. It is a dock which boosts the graphic capabilities of your laptop with an NVIDIA GTX 1050. It uses the Thunderbolt 3 technology from Intel, which give it access to the PCIe lanes of your laptop. This product is similar to other external GPU casing like the Razer Core, but the difference is that while with others you plug in the card you want, with this one you are set with the GTX 1050, which is an entry-level card. But on the plus side, you get a thinner and more portable dock. So let's take a look at the technical specification. So you get a GTX 1050 with 4 gigs of GDDR4 RAM. You get a Thunderbolt 3 port, a USB 2.0 port, 2 USB 3.0 port, one of which is always on so you can use it for charging, 2 display port 1.2, 1 USB 2.0, 1 3.5mm audio port, 1 gigabit internet, and a lock slot. Also in the box you get the power adapter and a full featured Thunderbolt 3 cable. We're going to open it. So we are welcome with some paperwork which tell us how to use the dock, and we have the dock itself, which is quite small actually. We have the USB ports, the audio jack, the Ethernet port, the HDMI, the 2 display port, and the power port. It is very light. Also in the box we get, wow, it is very well thought. You get some more paperwork, you get the power adapter, which is you get the power adapter, and we get the power cable and the Thunderbolt 3 cable. So that's it.